All right, welcome back to Dan's Trades. It's Thursday, October 9th, 2025. Educational and or entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research. I came to my charts late today. I missed all the AM session, so I was here at first entries were at 11:28. So we had seen a very large down move from the morning. Overnight, 9:30, sell-off. We'd recovered, came back up. Didn't believe the low of the day was in yet, so I was following bearish order flow. Scalped a couple shorts looking for second stage redistribution in a market maker sell model. Consolidation down here, reversal, low risk, first stage, looking for second stage. I was looking for right around the second stage to be right at 11:30. So 11:28. Covered a little bit quick. I don't like this. It's not my favorite time, so I was just taking quick little scalps. Re-entered after it didn't hit at 11:30. I was looking for 11:30 on the nose. Consolidated a little bit for a couple minutes. Re-entered.
The markets are open.
Oh, their markets are open now. And then took a run down. So took some scalps off there. Then I was looking for most likely the low of the day to be in when it didn't go any lower than that. But then it did come in, so I took a couple long scalps, wasn't feeling it, exited just based on time, see coming in the next macro. Since it wasn't delivering higher as soon as I wanted it to, I was looking for this to complete during this macro, and when it didn't, or right in front of it, excuse me. Ultimately, I was looking for these highs right here, because this is way too smooth. So I was short in here, came back up, engineered these equal highs. So I was looking for completing that model back up. Looking for that liquidity, but it wasn't ready yet. I got out. Made the new low of the day. Now I was more confident that the low of the day was probably in, so I started to scalp longs. Again, look at all these highs are right there. For some reason, I'm able to anticipate when it's not going to continue. I've got enough seat time to figure that out. So I took a tiny scalp here, got out, took another tiny scalp. One more. I keep scalping right before, so apparently can feel when the market's going to drop, but then I had to leave. I'm not at a place yet where I leave trades on and just walk away, working up towards it, but there's what I did after I was done. Again, here's my targets. Consolidated quite a bit, so I'd have hated living through this consolidation, but it eventually did get up there. Clearing this and kept going. There's market on close, or actually that's the market close itself. Right at 4 o'clock, it came up into this inefficiency, which also had a liquidity pool, 2 and 1, nice and strong. So not a bad day scalping. We're 4 days green. Happy with that. Let's see where we just started. Tiny little end dog down. Rallied right up into it. We'll jump over to so that's the execution charts. Doing good there. We'll jump over to MNQ, just see what it looked like with all what I have on my other systems where I'm actually seeing it. So preparing to executing here, just annotating a couple things, and then the full annotations are on a different monitor in this setup. So you can see during the lunch macros when it formed the low of the day. There's where I was looking to re-enter. I could have just set it and forget it, so it's just one thing through my video journaling, through my electronic journaling, this is one way that I can gain more confidence, is letting it run. I'd rather walk back at home to see it close at above 270, because check this out. If you don't believe in these quadrants that he's talking about, I'm just going to take off. I'll hide the indicators. And here's the quadrants that ICT has been recently teaching. I mean, are you kidding me? So you overlay all those together and see the confluences. Add in all of his other ways of tracking time, the opening range, looking at the sessions, layering it all on. It's it's finally all coming together. I just need to have, it's just all on me now. And it always has been. That's what you'll figure out if you haven't yet. You have to see it enough. And then it's lights out. But yeah, we'll just leave it with that, I think. Let's look at the bigger picture. I love the hourly chart. Or let's just go to the daily. So here's the wicks from the dailies with, interesting how even annotating the deviations north or southbound, so ways to check it out yourself. Here's the monthly PD array. All right, back to the hourly. All right, I should just switch over. Yeah. We don't call tops, right? This 471. That could be a next pit stop. We'll see. Government shutdown, anything's possible right now. I mean, if you don't believe it, keep looking. That's beautiful looking right there. I'd say we're going higher. But tomorrow's Friday, and we've missed NFP now for a little while, so anything is possible. That's why I'm doing ultra scalping. I have very low I mean, we're higher than high. There's the monthly look. September, October, just in the first 9 days of October. It's a lot of sell side liquidity getting relative equals right here. I mean, how high are they going to run until we come back down and rebalance some? And 10-10-25 might be an interesting day tomorrow, just saying. No predictions. Might want to keep your eyes out. Gaza Strip potentially. Peace. Let's see for how long. I mean, I'm not saying anything. It's just interesting. One hour balance price range. Ticked it. Nice. Gonna blow the top off, keep going again. 25.5. It's a nice round number. 471, 915. We'll see. All right, I hope this helps anyone. Been studying for quite a few years now, just past 2 years of watching this ICT stuff and putting it in implementation, so I think he hasn't made it much more simple. And it just takes enough time. You'll get there. I'm not all the way there yet, but I'm as confident as I've ever been. And I've probably said that once or twice, and it is what it is. All that matters is yourself. Doesn't matter what anybody else thinks. Which one are we on right here? Yeah, we can leave that guy at an hour. Keep the quad set up the way it should be. All right, I'll probably end it here. If anybody's got any questions, let me know. Throw something in the comment. Give me a like, whatever. Tiny channel. I have a feeling something's going to happen, though. We'll see. Just be careful because there's so much manual intervention potential right now that it's not even funny. At least in my opinion. Just one guy's opinion. All right, be safe. Remember, tomorrow is promised for none of us. Live for today. Take care, gang.